Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today, video the top 6 Kung Fu kicks. Everybody like Kung Fu kicks. Let's talk about one at a time. The first one, let's say the spinning side kick. The spinning side kick is very technical, it's very powerful. If you go spinning and you go side kick. So spinning side kick is very technical. If you're spinning too much, your kick not look like a side kick. It's very important. You gotta control the angle. Here, if you go spinning too much, you might not hit the direction you want to hit. Lock the angle just right there, and you got knee lift. This is the angle you got lock, and then you make boom. The side very powerful, but you gotta to learning how to control the directions. Very important. Let's go to the next one. This is a really cool kick, the tornado kick. The tornado kick is very popular in Kung Fu and Wushu. So you rotate 360 and you make a side kick, really strong hit the height. Your arm to lead your body and rotate 360 and you throw that kick. And same time you swing and you boom. So that's the tornado kick. You kick the height right there. Spinning kick. Spinning kick is a very effective kick. You can to throw this low to kick someone's leg and just right there and to make them fall, or you can kick them waist. Right, this part is very very hard. It can be broken down in bone, or you can to throw a high boom kick to the head. Definitely very powerful and very effective. Yes, beautiful kick. The upper strut kick from all the way up and go down. Hold your body weight and also your kick power from top. Go down to attack the shoulder or the head. Go up and you go down. And some people, they do use the heel. And this is really hard to go boom right here. Depends on the distance. Sometimes if the distance a little closer, you adjust, you bend your knee and you use your whole foot. Boom. Go down and press down. Alright, the last one, spinning roundhouse kick, also very powerful. So like, so you go spinning first and then you use your body speed and rotate and boom, to hit the head or any part of the body. Your arm to go first and you go spinning right here and you go bam to make that kick. That is a great technique. I love all of them. So leave your comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite kick. Thank you very much. I love you all. I see you in next video. Bye bye.